Hello friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to register in ViTrade Broker. Enter TradingFinder website, in Forex Broker section, go to ViTrade profile. Click on go to website, then we enter the website. For registration, click on open account. We enter the registration section, choose a title for your name, enter your name, last name, email address, phone number, full address plus house number, zip code, location, country of residence, then solve the math problem. Finally, after entering the informations, click here. Then we have to enter personal details like name, last name, birth date, marital status, place of birth, etc. In residence and contact, you have to enter your full address, house number, location, country, phone number, etc. In employment informations, enter your jobs informations. Then in tax relevant informations, if you're not a resident of taxpayer, you can click here. Or if you are, click here. Enter tax identification here, then check this box to agree to the terms and conditions of the website. Finally, click here. Read the required informations according to section 63, then select a risk class that corresponds to your invest objectives. Check these boxes to agree to the terms and conditions of the website. Answer the test questions. Check this box to agree to the terms and conditions of the website, then click here. Answer the questions about clarifications of the status of US person. After answering all the questions, click here. Answer the questions about determination of the identity of the beneficial owner, then explanation of asset type, which you can choose between private assets and business assets. After reading the informations about withholding of church tax, check this box to agree to the terms and conditions of the website, then click here. Enter your name and last name, IBAN number, BIC, currency, and institute. Choose a shipping method and distributions of profits. After reading the information, check the box and click here. Then if you would like to apply for an account deposit power of attorney, you can answer it here, then click here. We entered our accounts dashboard. Our account has been created, and in the next video, we're going to teach you how to verify your account in ViTrade Broker. Good luck.